Hello and welcome to Fogwing Eco device setup. This is how the packaging of the Fogwing Eco device looks like. Let's look at the contents inside the box, one by one. This is the Fogwing Eco device. We have two models of the Fogwing Eco device, one among them is the Cellular with Wi-Fi, and other one is the Wi-Fi Eco device. Make sure you have a Wi-Fi device before proceeding. You can check the model number on the backside sticker. You may have a Fogwing Eco device, equipped with air quality monitoring sensor or air pollution monitoring sensor. This is the power adapter. It will be shipped based on the plug type that your country is using. This is the user manual. You will find the installation instructions and other useful information in it. This is the guide to set the credentials. Now let's see how to set Wi-Fi credential and data frequency in Fogwing Eco device. Power up your Fogwing Eco device, and make sure the power LED is turned on. Now using your Android device, open Play Store, search for FW Eco, and install it. When done, open the FW Eco app. If you turned off Bluetooth, it will prompt you with a warning. Press on Yes, and then turn on Bluetooth. You will see a list of Bluetooth devices available near you. To connect to your Fogwing Eco device, you need to know the UE of the device. It can be found on the backside sticker of the Fogwing Eco device. They have a Bluetooth device name which starts with Eco, that's how you can easily identify the device. Select the correct device from the list of available Bluetooth devices to pair. By pressing on Pair, you are going to pair the app with the Eco device, through Bluetooth. Once done, go back to the FW Eco app. Press on Bluetooth icon and select the device. From the options, select Connect, and enter the device access password. It can be found in the guide named, Setting Up Credentials. If you enter the correct password, you will see a connected prompt on the top status bar, which indicates it's connected to Fogwing Eco device through Bluetooth. Let's set up the Wi-Fi connectivity in the Fogwing Eco device. For that, you must have a Wi-Fi network that can be accessed by the Fogwing Eco device to connect to the Fogwing cloud. Later you can visualize it on the Eco web interface. To set the Wi-Fi credential, just slide the switch near Wi-Fi. And select a Wi-Fi network from the list, then enter the password of the Wi-Fi network. And press on Send. Once done, it will show you a message. Press on OK. To set data frequency, slide the switch near data frequency, and choose an option suitable for you. If you haven't set the data frequency, 15 minutes will be default one. And press on Send. Once done, it will show you a message. Press on OK. Now we have set the Wi-Fi credential and data frequency. Now close the FW Eco app. Now the Eco device is activated, and you can see the online LED is blinking. Data LED will blink when it's sending data to the Fogwing cloud. To visualize the data, head over to the Eco web interface. Open up a web browser and type eco.fogwing.net in the address bar. Enter your account details and sign in. Now you can see the data on the dashboard. When the threshold value of the CO2, CH2O, and TVOC go beyond the limit set, it will blink the alert LED. The color for the indicators is as follows. The yellow indicates CO2 level is high, the magenta indicates TVOC level is high, cyan indicates CH2O level is high. If you got any problems in setting up the Fogwing Eco device, please feel free to contact us at support@fogwing.net.